Gold prices are headed to a 3-week high as the U.S. dollar declines, especially against the euro. Joining us today on Kitco's Gold Report from the floor of the CME in Chicago is RJO Futures, Phil Streible. Phil, welcome back.
Well, thanks for having me.
So, Phil, what's driving gold right now? Looking good. Last up 0.87% on the day and trading around $12.44 an ounce as we speak. You know, we have a mix of the lower dollar, the presidential race in France, and the UK preparing its exit from the EU. So, you know, what do you make of the gold situation right now?
Yeah, it's almost a perfect storm here that's going on. You've got multiple developments that are driving gold higher, and it really all started off last week after that Fed announcement. We've seen a historical replay where once the gold makes or the Fed makes their announcement, we start to see gold prices reverse on that. So the headlines go forward. Everyone starts looking at, you know, the UK. They're looking at possibly raising rates as well. Beyond that Brexit, they'll probably be the first country to do so. So that is in turn hitting the dollar index lower. We're starting to see the euro currency, the British pound, those both rally. There is some concern over the France election. They could be the next country that walks away. I mean, it could really get ugly for the European Union going forward. So if you're going to find that safe haven, it looks like gold's the place to be right now.
So that said, Phil, you know, what's your upside target? What are some key levels that you're looking at?
So I really thought 1250 was, my ideal target to the upside, but we could possibly hit it by the time I make it back to the office. So gold looks really good up to there. I think that 1300, it's a realistic target to the upside, and beyond that. It depends on how the Fed's going to play this out. If they're really going to do 3 interest rate hikes this year and still come up with that forward curve into 2018 for 3 more, I think it's just way too fast, way too advanced. I don't think that the inflation targets are as high as what the Fed's been outlining. So I do think gold makes this systematic move to the upside. I'd say 1300 next 30 days.
Now, silver is also up today, Phil. Can we say that it's joined in on gold's party?
Well, silver's having a slight lagging effect where it was ahead of gold for quite some time. It seems like there's a ripple effect from some of the European or the U.S. equity markets. They're starting to look at growth and things like that. With some of Trump's policies that have been coming out recently, we're starting to see that setback here, especially today. It looked like Trump was going to challenge some of the Republicans out there over repealing and replacing the Obama healthcare bill. Because of that, it may have a ripple effect on this corporate tax bill that's supposed to come out. And due to that, we're seeing equities slide off. So your copper and your silver, they're going to pair their gains with it.
Phil, thanks so much for your thoughts today.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching today's edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We have Bloomberg's Mike McGlone in studio next.